Hey Janet, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. So here's the third ticker you sent me. It's LIT, the Lithium ETF. This is very similar to the Uranium ETF you just sent me, in that it was incepted within the last 10 years, mostly has been in a downtrend for the duration of its existence, but now in 2016 is making a strong bid to reverse and head higher. So the basic format is the same. You can see LIT started out fairly strong, moving from about 30 up to 45. But since then, for the past 5 years, it's declined and lost quite a bit of its value, and now is trying to reverse in 2016. So if we look at this downtrend over these 5 years here, it does look like a counter trend move. I'm not super confident in the labeling here, and to be honest, it doesn't matter too much. Really, all that matters at this point is what's happening in 2016's low, or the move off the 2016 low. Because even if this was a trend, it could reverse, and if it's a counter trend move, once again, it could still reverse. So either way, the main thing that we're concerned about is whether it has reversed and started a new trend off the 2016 low. So let's zoom in and look a little bit closer at this move here. Here it is, has a ton of potential. It's a nice move. It's gone from 17 up to 26, really strong. It does look trendy. The difference here is it hasn't really completed this up move and begun to pull back, and that's something I would absolutely want to see before I would consider buying LIT. So at the moment, I think URA is a better purchase, just because it has already pulled back, and therefore we can more confidently buy the next showing of strength. Here, I'd still want to see a larger pullback, and in order for that to happen, I think we need to see it trade below 23.75. If it does that, it would indicate that this up leg is over and a larger pullback is underway, and at that point we would look for something to move down into this yellow area. Overall, LIT needs to stay above 2050. As long as it does that, I think we can consider this up leg here to be the first move of a larger advance. So from a trading perspective, again, I just want to see a larger pullback take place. Once it finds some strength after giving us the larger pullback, then we can talk about buying it. It seems like other ETFs are closer to being ready to go than LIT. This does look like it has a ton of potential overall. I just think it's going to take at least a couple months for this to develop and get to a point that it gives us a buy signal and gives us a reason to want to buy it. So that's what we're looking at on LIT. It does have a ton of potential off the 2016 low. We just need to see more before it's an actual buying opportunity. So look for a larger pullback to take place, and then for the uptrend to resume from there. So I hope that's helpful. Have a wonderful rest of your evening, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.